Alright, so this is kind of an optional activity that you can do with students. It does help them practice a little bit more about variables and the use of the LED strip. And what we're going to do here is try to figure out how we can show both the humidity and the temperature on the LED strip. Okay? So what we're going to think about is how can we break the LED strip into like segments. Okay, we know it's 30 long, and what we're going to do is convert it where the first half is going to show the temperature, the second half is going to show the humidity. Okay, I'm going to leave my existing functions as is, and I'm going to make a new function, and I'm going to call this show temp humidity. Okay, and I'm going to say on LED strip. All right. Doesn't matter how long these guys are, but that's what it is. The function is going to do exactly what I tell it as the title is. So, first thing we're going to need to do is we need to create a couple of new variables, because we're going to have one variable for the first half of the strip and a second variable for the second half of the strip. So I'm going to go up to variables, and I'm going to say LED temp range. Okay, you can know anything that you want. And I'm going to make another variable, and this is going to be humidity. Let's say LED humidity range to keep it the same. Okay, boom. All right. So now I'm going to assign certain of the little light bulbs to each one of those variables I just made. Okay, and so how I'm going to do that is I'm going to do a set my humidity range to, I'm going to go to my NeoPixel strip that's already installed. Okay, you can either take this whole block, or you can drag out the little circle. So there's two ways to do this. Right, I can go up to my NeoPixel, and I can set my variable, set LED temp range to strip 0 to 15. Okay. Or I could do it just the way that I had just done it and just drag out this last little bit of the section.